So we have done this and it is going like this. So to this base, we can add the jewel ones. So we have understood about the tonnage, isn't it? How did we get it? We have got it by cooling load, isn't it? Cooling load calculation, and what we have got? We have got the required value, isn't it? Required cooling load can be obtained. Okay. So this is a consideration that we already know, or else this is something that we have done. Okay. So is it okay for you? So we have got it in such a way that this is actually the tonnage that is required for that. So for the cooling load calculation, the required cooling load can be obtained. Okay. So what we have to do, I'm saying it as an example. So example in the sense, how much do we actually need? Which means, see, listen here, listen carefully. What we want is, this is just an example. We have found out the 0.5 ton and that is what we require. Okay. So we have got an output that we want a cooling load of ton load. Okay. So have you got any visibility problem? Okay. So this is what we are having as a reference. Next, what we have to do, we have to bring it to this room, isn't it? So the network that brings here is called as duct. So this duct would have gone this way, isn't it? So we would have given the duct like this, and now it is through the duct that we need to create the openings, or else it will be explained in the coming sessions, or you will be having it in the coming classes. So by giving openings here, we will be giving the distribution to these rooms. So when you're giving it like this, you have to notice something. See, I have given the duct like this, isn't it? And suppose if I give the duct like this at the bottom, and what's the problem with this? It will be visible in this room, isn't it? So this much space will be loosed, and that's the main reason. And for anyone who is working here will be visible to this. So in order to hide it, so I'll change its color just to make it clear for you. So this red color line indicates the fixation of ceiling. Okay. And now the starting for the next floor is like this. Okay. Which means the next floor will start from here and it will move on like this. Okay, so you're having a distance here. That is this particular area, or it is that distance that we mainly handle.
Avodha promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land a job. Register now.